Hi friend, welcome to my learning journey about Linux operating system. I told you still we are learning. I'm still beginner. I'm not good on it. Well, just I'm Python programmer and I'm just learning this operating system because it's really helping you too much to make things easy in your computer. It will be very fast. It will not be like Windows system. Okay, in Windows everything is coming on the. By the way, like uh, they were setuping and things, and just you downloading and it's really easy. But anyway, so let's do it together. I will hide it. Okay. Yes, and then open Visual Studio Code and take my screen also here. Okay, now what I want to do here, I will show you all of kind of stuff here. Let's do it together. Yep. I think you've seen now, right? Everything. Okay, let's tag it here. Now first, we need to create one file. I have already, but if you want, I can do with you. I will say ls and I, and really I can check. Anyway, I think I'm not saying it's not good, but I think before I was created there one folder. If I can find, let's say ls ls grep, say grep bash, maybe bash, this one. All right, is there bash script? Right, I'm looking for this one. Okay, I have bash script, I think here. Let's check. Okay, it's here. Okay, now I want to open it in Visual Studio Code. Let's come here. Okay, let's say, but also you can say Command O for open this folder. So let's do something like Command Shift and O together. No, Command Shift and S, something like that. Then you will see here something. Anyway, just open folder and then really I saw yes, this one is here. Just open it. Okay, that's good. Let's close this get started because we're already here. Anyway, what I want to do here, we have two way. I told you, you can come here and you can say new and terminal. It will open terminal, or you can do this one with this. I mean, you can do something like that to open again this terminal. Let's delete it. Anyway, you know how I did open. Okay, now what we can do. First, uh, I want to create here. So we will just count time, okay? We will write there some time printer or something like that we can do. Okay, let's do it together. Let's say we want to create here file. Yep, maybe here. Let's say, but okay, you have two options. You can write from here, this file, or really you can write with touch, like touch, and really you can write time printer sh, something like that. It will do same thing here, or really you can just delete it. And let's come here, and really you can do also from here time printer sh. So this sh is the bash file. Okay, let's come in bash file. Also there is one option. Let's anyway, I will show you later all of it. Now to write things in this bash file, what do you think? We need to put there this dash and exclamation mark, I think, if I'm not wrong. Then just do bin and say bash, because we have to take some permission to write here, right? So this will tell Linux this is a bash script. So it's about, it's speaking with the system. Okay, let's come down and let's say couch. We can create here one folder, like we can say uh, time time file time file time file dot txt. Can be like that, and let's click enter and come down and say here we need to create one while loop. I mean for until condition false, all the ways will go for true. Let's say while, say true, and put semicolon and say do, because we'll do something here. Okay, let's write here date. Now when you write date, you will get all the time. Now what is the time now? All the time it will give you anyway, it will give you time. Okay, but what we want to do here, just we will put this date, so this date in while loop, and it will tell you each 5 seconds or each 10 seconds the time. It will show it you. It will prompt there. Okay, why we doing that? Just it is some scripting. Okay, and say date, and let's say cat. You know already, right? And then let's write our file name, time file.txt, and really just come down. What we can do here, okay, we can show there some message, but for message we can say echo. We know already echo, and let's say waiting for 10 seconds. Okay, waiting for 10 seconds is good. Maybe not 5 seconds, we can do 10 seconds, and say sleep 10. But if you say 5 minutes, just you can do 5, you can do 2, 3, 4, I don't know what, maybe you can put 20. Let's say after all done. And what I want to do, let's do bigger here. Now we write all our things here. Okay, all is that. Let's save it with, you know what is it, right? This one is just saving. I mean, yes, if you do this, then it will, you can save it. Then when you save it, let's come down, let's come here in terminal. Now we will do something together, just don't worry about that. We will do all of it with X and X. So let's say here, but I will show you one detail here. Now, if you say like time time printer, okay, time printer, then sh, it will say permission denied. Because why? We don't have any permission about to write things. So I mean, write it in terminal, you will see permission denied. And for tag to this permission, we need to write something with like that. Let's come. We have to say qmod. It's something like that, and say plus x, and let's write our file name. Because also I want to show it, if you check our time printer, it's still there is no permission, and it's showing us like that. And let's write this now and say plus, and let's write our file name, time printer. Now let's check. Have you see? Now we have permission to reach our file. Okay, let's do something here. Now we will say time printer sh. Have you see? No, just wait. Have you see? The second one is here. Let's come in this place. It is in my language is Saturday, okay? each 10 seconds it's showing you the time. Now it will make again, right? The time, look at that. I mean this one is, you can see here. Look, each 10 second. Okay. Now you don't know how to bracket, just you can do Command C, then really it will stop. And I will show it the other way to make this kind of thing. Let's delete it. Let's come here, and what we can do for delete, we can say ls, let's say remove all kind of stuff, right? Okay, it's already not there. Just don't save and don't save. Okay, also we have some way to make it. Let's let's come to place, in this place again. Let's say nano. At first create this file again. We can do, we can say, let's come in terminal, maybe we can try there. Just say clear and go to the bash script. Okay, let's say touch, let's say time print sh. Okay, I think now our there. Now say nano time printer sh. Okay, let's come here. Have you see again our file is just coming here. Let's start to write again same thing for, but we don't need to, maybe let's do it. We will say again dash exclamation mark and let's say bin and just at their bash. Okay, let's come down and say touch, let's say time.txt, something like that. I think it's okay. Let's say while true and say do. Let's come and say date. You can do also some other thing. Okay, date, and let really just put their cat and something like that. And maybe okay, we can write there again our time.txt. I mean time.txt. Let's come down time.txt. Okay, let's come down again and say echo and just put, hey, each 3 seconds. Maybe what we can say, um, waiting for 3 seconds. Okay, 3 seconds. Let's close it and let's come down and say sleep for sleep 3, because it's just 3. And let's say done. Let's say comment O to save it, and let's come back and let's say source, then say time, let's say bash, this one bash, maybe bash rc. Oh, sorry, it's just say source and just bash script, I think. Why? All right, it's time print sh. Yep. Look at now, this is in this place. Have you see? So this is working in this system, but if you check, we have also information coming here. Let's do one other thing. So just say clear and really just go again in this file. Let's say time dot txt, no, time print sh, and just put here break sleep and say break, and really it will show it you only one time, not too much. It will show it you one time, and let's save it and let's exit and say again source time, again source time print sh. Yes, it's finished. Have you see? This is all of that. Let's come here and really just come back. That's what I want to do. Maybe I can delete all of it. No, there is lots of detail. Maybe let's a. Okay, just I want to delete this time, this bash script. Bash script. Oh, it's saying r bash script. Okay, let's say exit and just go from here. Let's close this one too. Okay, this is all. Thank you so much for joining here. Just I want to show you something sometime. So it's all about this learning journey. So really, every day I'm learning new things about Linux operating system. This about writing a basic shell script. You can write in Visual Studio Code with the bash, so you can open terminal and you can write your thing. There also you can write in our command prompt, so in Linux operating place. So really, you can do what you need. You can write with nano, with vim. Just you have to accept to the file, and when you exit you have to write there some source and your file name. It will be like gmod plus x and your file name. It will be same gmod and source. This is same, okay, same concept. Just you have to you are like strong administrator for your files. So thank you so much for joining. Anyway, see you later.